Your phone is lying to you. It sold you connection while stealing your roots. 73% of us feel this lie. They gave you likes over legacy, followers over family. But our ancestors, they left us a map. Ubuntu says, your worth isn't in numbers, it's in nurturing. Tonight, call one person and say, I see you. Comment their name, hashtag seen and loved. Your ancestors didn't binge Netflix, they built nations. Trade scrolling for storytelling. Trade notifications for nourishment. Tag someone drowning in screens. Let's rise offline. Your blood whispers, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Subscribe now for one ancestral code every Friday. This isn't self-help. It's a revolution. And we need you. Keycap 1, share this with 3 people, break the algorithm. Keycap 2, post the Sankofa symbol, hashtag Ubuntu Unchained. Keycap 3, subscribe. Your ancestors didn't quit. Neither will you.